everyone, so today we are going to talk about exoskeleton, but before we get started, let me introduce our team member. The first one is Muhammad Denis bin Yazid, and the second is Abdul Wafi bin Matali, and the third is Ahmad Aiman Hazik bin Ahmad Shamshul, and the fourth is me, Diva Kamil Anjani bin Iswan. In this video, we are going to talk about the introduction and the methodology, and then ruler result, and then the recommendation, and the lastly is discussion. After this, we are going to talk about the introduction of exoskeleton.
I'll be explaining about the introduction of exoskeleton. An exoskeleton allows for a direct exchange of mechanical power and information signals between the user and the mechanical structure through the physical contact. Next, exoskeleton may be helpful in the situation if other preventive measures are not practical or effective. Powered exoskeleton are made to increase strength and resistance to the fatigue in stressful jobs. And lastly, this exoskeleton need different approaches to meet demands like usability, workplace acceptance, and potential safety issues.
And now we are going to talk about the methodology of exoskeleton.
Methodology for the assignment. Both sides of the upper arm are supported by the exoskeleton when it is used. This will make it possible for us to function efficiently while using little energy. The labor of the harvester will be reduced by 20% thanks to wearable exoskeleton. A slimline passive exoskeleton with compression spring in the upper arm regions serve as an existing force in the suggested design. However, the exoskeleton arm would only permanently distort when the equivalent of a 26 kg load was applied.
Now, I'm going to explain about ruler result for this posture. So, the output of the ruler assessment tools is the final ruler score, which is a single score that represents the level of MSD risk for a job task being evaluated. So, if we can see, the score for A is 3 and the score for B is 5. The final grand score for this posture is 7, which is very high risk and implement to change it now. So for the recommendation, we suggest to improve parameters of body composition as indicate. Next, size and weight of wearables exoskeletons should be reduced and structures should be simplified. Lastly, balance capability of wearable exoskeletons should be improved to reduce the use of supportive device.
Now we are going to talk about the discussion of exoskeleton. So, ruler method was developed to assess the muscular effort related to a working positions and to analyze biochemical or postural stressors on a worker's upper limbs. Because of the ruler results, it is possible to determine the importance of posture, style, and the movement when doing tasks. The main purpose of making exoskeleton is to help workers lighten their workload and minimize the potential of injury that can occur to the workers. And by knowing the result of ruler method, we can design and develop exoskeleton that are suitable for the condition of harvest fruit of palm oil trees. And an exoskeleton is a kind of additional clothing that aims not to only protect the workers but also to enhance the user abilities. And that's all the explanation of our group. I hope it's helpful and thank you for watching. Bye. See you.